In this video, I'm going to show you how to reach 10,000 followers on TikTok, quickly and easily. This method will always work no matter what year it is. It's all about the luxury video niche. With this niche, you can create high-performing videos in no time. These types of videos always get views, likes, and saves, because everyone, no matter the genre, enjoys watching them. You can finish a video like this in just 10 minutes. Simply search for luxury clips on YouTube. Record your screen, and then cut the best parts together in CapCut using a good background song. It's best to always use recent videos from YouTube so they haven't been overused on TikTok already, or you can invest a few bucks and grab a bundle from Etsy. They already come with ready-made clips like this. That way you save time and don't have to search for everything yourself. With this method, I've already grown 2 accounts to over 10,000 followers, just by posting 3 videos a day. And the best part? This niche will never die out. You're building a long-term account with it. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and please leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.